Good afternoon. Here is a good news. I have got my book published from Germany, and this is a book you can see in my hand. The title of the book you can see. This book is written solely based on our Prime Minister's speeches, his tweets, and his views about everything from local politics to international relations. And the number of poems are 75. Now you know why 75, because Prime Minister of India is of 75 years of age. I dedicated this book to him, and I am going to read the dedication so that it reaches you, at least if it doesn't reach the Prime Minister of India. To Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, a living embodiment of sacrifice, dedication and nation first. From humble beginnings to transformative leadership, his tireless service inspires millions and places the last citizen at the heart of governance. Thank you, and let me read one of the representative poems. The poem is written by me, but it is taken from one of his speeches. Let me read. The title of the poem is The Dawn of Ram. Today, our Ram has come at last, through centuries of waiting past, through sacrifice, through penance deep, through wounds that generations keep. No longer shall our Ram Lala stay in humble tents. The dawn of Ram. Today our Ram has come at last, through centuries of waiting past, through sacrifice, through penance deep, through wounds that generations keep. No longer shall our Ram Lala stay in humble tents and clothes of clay. A temple vast divinity crowned, no echoes with his sacred sound. This date, January 22, a sunrise bathed in golden hue, not ink on calendar alone, but birth of era nations grown. Ayodhya's air, the world's bright skies, are filled with Ram's eternal ties. The wheel of time has carved this flame. 1,000 years shall sing his name. I bow to Hanuman, ever near, to Janaki, whose love is clear, to Lakshman, Bharat, Shatrughan's grace, to Saryu's consecrated face. O Lord, forgive the centuries gone, forgive the failings deeds undone. Today the temple stands complete, 1,000 hearts bow at your feet. When once you left for forest shade, the people wept, their hearts afraid. 14 years of sorrow then, we bore the weight for centuries 10. Yet justice walked, and truth was heard, the law upheld by noble word. The Ram temple in Dharma's name rose lawful, pure, devoid of blame. Today in every village fair, the Ram Jyoti lights the air. The earth resounds with chants of song. The nation's signs united strong. From sea to Saryu's holy stream, Ram binds the land in sacred stream. He dwells within each beating heart, no soul from his embrace apart. For Ram is faith and Ram is law. Ram is the thought that nations draw. Ram is the pride of Bharat's flame, eternal, boundless, more than name. Ram is not fire, but energy bright. Ram is the pathway, Ram is the light. Ram is no quarrel, Ram is release. Ram is the harmony, Ram is the peace. From Lanka's sands to foreign shores, his story lives, his truth endures. The word today has both at one. In Ayodhya's glow beneath the sun, this temple This temple is not strong alone. This temple is not stone alone. But Bharat's heart, its soul, its own. But Bharat's heart, its soul, its own. It's a vision, vast and free, of faith, of values, unity. Oh children of this blessed land, this time has placed the torch in hand from Ram to nation. Hearts expand. Together we shall build and stand. Shabari waited in forest wide. Her hope in Ram was never denied. Nishad Ras born the squirrel's part. Teach every soul to give its heart. From Jatayu's cry to Hanuman's might, we learned that duty is sacred right. So let us serve with every breath and offer work till final death. This is our Amrit Kal. This is our Amrit Kal, whenever the youth of Bharat holds the power to touch the moon, to kiss the skies with Vikrant's strength, with Tejas' rise. Embrace the past, just shape anew. A future bright, a dawn in view, for Ram has come. And with his flame, the soul of Bharat shall proclaim. This temple stands, the world shall see the rise of Bharat's destiny. We will not pause, we will not fall. This is the time, Bharat for all. So, let us bow with voices high. Siyavar Ramachandra ki jai, we cry. Siyavar Ramachandra ki jai again. Forever flows his timeless rain. Thank you. And read this poem and such other poems in this book. This is my humble felicitation of Prime Minister of India. This was one of the poems I could read. Thank you very much. Thank you for listening and giving me your time. Thank you very much.